Previously on Becoming a Chef.
Vanessa Weber. Yeah, so for me, I do like the format, the intensity of the day-to-day.
What I really like in FERRANDI, to teach in FERRANDI, is we teach to the student not only recipe or how to do one cake. We teach how to do a cake like a professional. We use professional tools. We have professional labs. We have a big kitchen. It's not like to do a cake at home. It's really to be a future pastry chef.
These are not ready, so. Oh, we could just put into the ones that are ready.
And the other, what do you do? So when we teach to the student, we like to go step by step.
Oh, increase it.
Alors,
This way.
it's depends how many I want to put.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
The longest, so I put this way. Microwave, and after, fast.
Oh, okay.
Another one, let's go. And you put in the middle.
Middle.
And
The kitchen is definitely very strict. You have to be very organized. It's the first rule that all the chefs will tell you. I think it's that you have to know what you're doing and you have to keep a clean space in order to have the perfect product. You have to have clean space in your head and clean space in your workstation.
to make pastry is an hard work. Normally we work on pressure and something like that. And we like to share some moment with the student during the break to test the food, to have a tea together. So we like to have this kind of time with the student to create a group atmosphere. They have to connect each other. They come from 15 different countries. Alors, I will show you how to do the crème pâtissière, guys. Sugar, eggs, custard powder, all together. If we do a religious, you do step by step with the teacher. You bake your pâte à choux, you do your cream, you fill it step by step, all together. Half vanilla pot. You open in two, so you flat. Put your knife inside. Be careful, don't cut yourself. In FERRANDI, for the international program, we have 5 pastry teachers. Each pastry teacher will teach for every group. They have no one teacher for one group. And you stop. Et ben c'est parti. The process in the lab is around 5-hour work, 5.5 hours in the lab. We do 1 or 2 produce. We show you, for example, the pâtissière, all the process to do the pâtissière, all the rules for hygiene to make sure they have no contamination.
So when we have to do an evaluation, obviously there's a little bit more stress than the day-to-day. I do try to take it seriously, even if there's no evaluation, because this is my plan for the rest of my life. and I want to be good. I want to be really, really good at what I do. Not the best, because I don't know if I'm going to be the best, but definitely give it the best try I can.
It's very important to not criticize but explain what the students do. We try to show what is good and what is wrong, and what they did not perfectly, or what they make that it's not going to in a good way, for them to understand what they did. Okay, halfway through. Even if it's a little bit less caramelized, it's no big deal. You take them like this and you flip, okay? Make sure you do all of it, because otherwise it's going to be too much caramelized. Okay, c'est pas mal. But the shape is not exactly what it's supposed to be.
Oh, we shall.
Okay, it's too much hole.
Too much hole in the middle.
Like this part, it's not cooked enough.
Ah.
Big hole this side. It should be cooked a little more, and more sugar. All of it, it's not enough sugar, so you need to put more sugar. Otherwise, it's okay, huh? The thickness is fine, but it's need to be a bit less roll and more flat when you roll it.
Stay tuned for the next episode.